Hi everybody. Today we will repair fountain. Good luck guys. Thank you. Okay. Okay, I will take that broken fountain and bring a new one. Let's get rid of that old parts. Wow, brand new one. Let's make our city more beautiful than it was before. Okay. Oh, very nice. One more repaired sightseeing of our city. Hello, fire car. What's up? Are you okay?
Hi Lucas. Well, I was going home, very crazy sport car rear-ended me.
Oh, I got it. Can you shape the sport car?
It's all little dark blue sport car. His front bumper was damaged.
Okay, I will monitor the city and we'll try to find that blue car. Oh, let's see. Oh, bluish car. Hello, miss. You wouldn't have seen damaged blue car here around. He was a part in accident.
Oh, what a shame! Not at all. If I'll see him, I'll tell you.
Okay, thank you. Well, another blue car. Let's check if he has a damaged part. Hello, sir. I'm searching for a blue car with a damaged front bumper.
But everything okay with my bumper?
Thanks for your understanding.
You're welcome, Sergeant.
Good morning. Be careful on the road. Oh, old blue car, which I met have no damaged bumpers. That violet car with... That car damaged and seems very strange, like a new painted. Let's ask him a few questions. Hello, sir. Can you stop for a minute? I have a couple of questions for you. Yeah, as I thought, you painted yourself. You must come with me to police station, Mr. Blue Car.
Oh, I have a temperature. I can work and patrol today. Let's call Frank. Hi, Frank. Could you take my place today?
Okay, Sergeant. No problem.
Oh no!
Hi, people. What's your problem?
I need a help. I can't get my wheel out of the water hedge.
Okay, don't worry. I'll help you. Be quiet.
Oh, thank you very much.
Nothing. Be careful.
Somebody needs help.
Oh, okay. Truck? What's your problem?
My wheel was blown away. Can you help me?
Okay, I understand. Don't worry.
Oh, thanks. It looks like a new.
My mommy will be angry.
Hi, kid. What's your problem?
Hi, mister. I was playing with my ball and the ball fell to the river.
Okay, kid. Don't worry. Is it all?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Goodbye. Lucas, tomorrow you must heal and recover.
Don't worry, Frank. I took a pills. Thank you for your help today.
Finally, I will go home and take a rest in this silent evening on my weekend day. What the sound? So loud music. Let's check. Good evening, mister. I'm so sorry, but your music is so loud, and you need to turn it off. You're disturbing others. and it may cause an accident.
Oh, sorry. I will turn it off. I'm not gonna do that.
I'll have to penalize you. Hey, mister. Good morning, mister. Yes, I got you. I will be there on time. Your address on the other side of the city. I need more time. He doesn't hear me because of that music. Oh no, move out. Hey!
Oh no!
Mister, turn off your music.
Mr. Police, I'm so sorry. What will you gonna do now?
You will be penalized, and I'm ordering you to pay the original fine. Copperfield, take him to police office.